So we know this place so well, just like, we've been here over 20, 30 times already on, Long Beach. On the other side, it's the same ownership, Taram Ntara Chะอำ. Okay, here. I'm making the video for introduction this hotel, right?
อาหารเช้าจะทานชั้นเดียวกันคือชั้น2ลองบีบไปชั้น2นี่ก็ชั้น2ค่ะ6 โมงเช้าถึง 10 โมงครึ่งแจ้งเบอร์ห้องได้เลยนะคะ
Alright, so it seems like this is our room. It's a little bit 43 square meters.
ใช่ค่ะ
Okay.
หนูดูอันนี้นะว่าหนูอยากอยู่
ห้องน้ำอันนี้จะกว้างกว่า
Oh. So we are going on the, on the second bedroom and check it out and see how we like it. So you can get provided to see the review of this place and let's find out. Oh wow, this is a very nice. Which is this is very nice. It's a private swimming pool. Yeah, it's a private swimming pool. Isolated from a lot of places, at the hotel. Okay, here's another selection. I can tell this one is a little bit smaller.
แต่ว่าอันนี้ก็เห็นสระว่ายน้ำเลย
Yeah.
ให้มีชี้เรื่องแล้วกัน
Oh, but this one, oh, 7, ใช่ไหม
ใช่ค่ะมีทุกค่ะ
Just 7 feet. Yeah, this is a very big.
หนูเรื่องหนูอยากอยู่ห้องนี้หรือห้องนั้นครับ
And on the outside is a swimming pool.
Up to you.
On the second bedroom. That. Okay.
แล้วแต่ดูไป
All right. So we decided to take the first. Actually.
ห้องนี้ก็ได้ค่ะ
Oh, ครับ Yeah, we decided to take the first room.
ใช้สิทธิ์ได้อีกตั้งเยอะ
Okay, so not the. So we definitely take this room with on this side, I'm gonna ask her what room is it.
เดี๋ยวแอร์จะปรับตามอุณหภูมินะคะเดี๋ยวรอสักครู่นะคะขอบคุณนะคะ
ห้องนี้เรียกว่าชื่อห้องอะไรครับ
ดีลักซ์ค่ะ
อ๋อ deluxe
ดี
นะ
ลัก
ครับ
ซ์แต่ถ้าฝั่งนี้เป็นทาราดีลักซ์
อ๋อครับ Right, this is the sea view what we got right here. This is great. The hotel provide a bicycle for customers. Okay, so let's go. Have fun, guys. Yeah. Alright, guys. Oh, this is so cool. You can see the shop. They have the souvenir. Yeah, this is great. I'm on the bicycle right now, riding a bike along the beach at Chะอำ. It's so fun. It's a great experience to be here, really. Yeah. This is like the moon. Oh my god. Okay, this is the area of สะพานปลา at Chะอำ. If you ever come here, there's a lot of สะพานปลา restaurant, that we call like a fish bridge, the restaurants. You can get the real seafood, very fresh one. Yeah, I'm on the bike, so it's a little bit shaking right now. So. Chai, this is Ba Eat Seafood. It's very famous. So we decided to stop by and buy the roast apple. This is a roast apple. แปลว่าอะไรนะครับ ชมพู่ Yeah, พันธุ์สายน้ำผึ้ง Yeah. It's 100 baht per kilogram. So we support her, at สะพานปลา. Okay, good. Alright, we're gonna go on. Okay, this is สะพานปลา, like Lucky Seafood and the other one. Our family used to come here and order the food, and you can choose, the fresh seafood, and you can sit right there, So that's a good location as well. If you ever come here, the Fish Bridge is one of the most important place that you shouldn't miss. Why you shouldn't miss? Take a look. These are great. Fresh. Yeah, that's a lot.
ก้างกระดานเท่าไหร่50 บาทอยากกินนะแต่ว่านี่
The crab is 750 baht. For shrimp, it's $5.80. That's what you can do. Prawn. Yeah, this is a good location. If you ever have a chance, come to visit. Lucky Seafood too is one of the, popular around here, for sure. All right, we're just gonna keep going. Hey guys, here at the fresh seafood market for real. Yeah, there's a lot of food, I think the price can be comparable right now. If you ever come this side, maybe it's a good deal. Let's see what they have right here. Pagapong, Hoi Shell, Mangda. Wow, good selection. This is on the other side of the fish bridge, Sapan Pa. They have a lot of, I think the fishermen, they just caught, the fresh one, and you can buy something cheaper. Let's see, Nung Fee for 380 baht. If you know exactly where you can get it, I think this is a good deal. Take a look here. It's only 270 per kilogram. This is 340. As you see, Gung Tale, right? 330 baht for 1 kilogram. Gung Tale Sot. This is actually a big sign. This Mực Khai and Mực Gadong 220. Yeah, and there's a lot of fish like I think red snappers, shells. There's a lot of things that you can really come here and take a look and buy the things that you like. Okay, here, Bagapong, they're so cheap, 150 baht. If you really know exactly where to get here, you go a little bit deeper past, Sapan Pa, and when you get here, you're gonna see a very good deal of the price. Wow. Because here, the fishermen on the backside, they have a lot of boats, the ships, they just deliver, the fresh seafood. As I keep walking, you can check and compare the price. And if you want to go to a better place, you pay more, just like for service charge. This area they can call Sapan Pa. You can see how the fishermen, they have their lifestyle. They hang on the fish right here, pen pa hang dry fish or something. And I'm gonna walk a little bit to cross the bridge. And you see those ships or boats, and wow, this is more a little bit adventure. It seems to be fun. It seems like great. Okay, now I'm just right here on the bridge. If you take a look right here, it's a great view of the scenery, real, and the other side as well. Yeah, it's kind of fun. It's very adventure. Yeah, if you ever have a chance to come here, this is, Sapan Pa is one of the good places to visit for sure. It's fun. Keep going. That's the fun thing, that the bridge is really narrow. Yeah. Okay. The bridge is very narrow. Alright. Come on. It's fun. Yeah. All right. Wow, this is the edge of Cha'am. Yeah. You see the sunset is so beautiful up front. So nice. Really. Yeah, I'm making video right now. Okay, on. Okay. So here it's like 6 p.m. already, so the sun has already set now. But the good thing is, we come here and see on the scenery, it's really beautiful. This is one of the top highlight. If you ever come to Cha'am here, you have a bike ride, just like us, it will be fun to do some little adventure. So this is the edge of the Cha'am right now. so which is very nice. There you go. Wow. It's a little bit cracking on the bridge here. I have to be a little bit careful. Yeah, this is what I like, something more adventure. You see those people, they come here for fishing. I think they caught a lot of fish already. But anyway, here we are at the edge of Cha'am right now at the fish bridge. It's actually the statue of both squids. It's not octopus, but it is squid. Squid. Okay. I think mommy like this trip. Ah. Yeah. Honey, come here. So this is a two statue. Yeah, this is the end of our destination at the fish bridge here. That's the squid statue. Okay, Michi. Wave hi. We eventually have got here on our bike ride. Isn't that fun? Isn't that fun? Yes or no? Come on, tell me. Is that yes? Okay, good. Mommy, how do you feel about it?
Yeah, I'm so proud. Yes.
Yeah.
First
We
time
never took a bike ride, you know, and it was so fun. And we went to the, fish. Yeah. Okay, good. Let's see here.
I want to take photo.
Okay. Yeah, these people they love fishing. I think they caught a lot of fish. พี่ครับโทษทีนะครับส่วนใหญ่พี่ตกปลาพี่ได้ปลาอะไรบ้างครับ
ได้ปลากุเลา
กุเหลาแล้วครับอ๋อไม่มีปลากระพงนะครับ
พี่ก็ได้8 ตัว
อ๋อตัวใหญ่ไหมครับไซส์ประมาณกี่นิ้วครับ
ตัวใหญ่
อ๋อตัวใหญ่นะครับอ๋อตกกลางคืนก็มีปลาเหรอครับ
ตัวกระพง
อ๋อครับ Here with the two squid be careful the giant massive squid might take you down deep in the ocean. You want to go down there? Bishi, go down there? Yes or no? Say something. Yes or no? No. Okay, smart.
Daddy, you want to go up there?
Yeah, right now we're going back. You know, it's like 6:30 already. So we are here. All right, here, this is our meal. You know, we went to, the fish bridge already. Let's see how Michi enjoy. Michi, first of all, could you tell me, are you enjoying eating seafood? What are you eating now?
Crab.
Crabs. That's pretty good.
You can show crab.
Can you show the crab? What's that? Oh, that's the crab.
Oh, the mini.
Yeah, because I got the females. Can you see it?
Female.
Yeah, just female crab.
เวลาเปิด
Yeah. Okay.